1 if by land, 2 if by sea. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today on the Second Amendment Challenge Day, which is also the 4th of July or Happy Independence Day, we are challenging you to have that pro-Second Amendment conversation with your family, friends, whoever you're hanging out with and celebrating the 4th. We posted a article or a video on our blog that just talked about some basic facts that you can use in that conversation. They're fairly easy to know and memorize. And the way that you can start that conversation off on such as a day as the 4th is ask someone, do you know how the 4th of July, or the War for Independence, I should say, actually began? 1 if by land, 2 if by sea. I'm sure many of you have learned that somewhere in your elementary school education, but that was the signal for Paul Revere. 1 if by land, meaning the British were coming by land, and 2 lanterns in the church steeple if they were coming by sea. Paul Revere was then going to mount his horse and spread the word to the Minutemen that the British were indeed invading and coming. And what were they coming for? Were they coming to collect taxes? These are questions you can ask the individuals you engage with. What do you think Paul Revere was warning the Minutemen about? Were they warning them about the British coming for their taxes? Were they coming to arrest people? That may or may not be true. But they definitely were coming for the Minutemen's gunpowder, cannons, and arms. The British were coming to confiscate the weaponry, the firearms of the citizens in this country, and Paul Revere's job, and in part, was to warn the cities of Lexington and Concord of the British invasion, and that was what their motive was. So that is what Paul Revere did, and it has nothing to do with the British coming to collect taxes. That's not how the war started. The first shots that were fired the following morning were at Lexington and Concord, and that was because Paul Revere rode and warned the Minutemen that the British were coming and that they were coming to take their firearms. So that is your brief moment in history and your lesson here on today's Independence Day. And I again challenge you to have a pro-Second Amendment, which is a pro-gun conversation with your family and friends, because you are responsible for sticking up for your rights. No one else is going to do it for you. And again, if you want to see those quick, brief bullet points, we have them posted on our blog page, radzwionlaw.com/blog, and they were posted last week, Friday. Signing off here, I'm wishing everyone a happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, happy birthday, America. And the Second Amendment reads, a well-regulated militia being necessary for the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Happy 4th, everyone. Stay free.